Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b plus 10 whole square is equals to 64, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, we move the term 64 from right hand side to the left hand side, and this will becomes b plus 10 whole square minus 64, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we rewrite this equation as this is b plus 10 whole square minus this is 64, and we write it as 8 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula to simplify the equation, and here we use this formula. If we have x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y, and according to this formula, you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we just substitute the values of x and y in the right hand side of this equation, and this will becomes this is x minus y. The value of x is b plus 10 minus the value of y is 8 into again the value of x is b plus 10, the value of y is 8, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and we get this is 10 minus 8 becomes 2 into this is 10 plus 8 becomes here 18, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b plus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b plus 18 is equals to 0. From here we get the value of b is equals to minus 2. This is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we move plus 18 to the right hand side, and we get b is equals to minus 18. This is the second root of the given equation, and you see that from first method we get these are the two roots of the given equation. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b plus 10 whole square is equals to 64. This is the given question statement, and in this side we verify b is equals to minus 2, and in this side we verify b is equals to minus 18. So we substitute both the values of b into the left hand side of the above equation, and it will be written as in this form. So when you put this value here, we get minus 2 plus 10 whole square is equals to 64. And further we simplify this equation, and minus 2 plus 10 becomes 8 square is equals to 64, and we easily get here 64 equals to 64. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value b is equals to minus 2 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of b, and we put this value of b into the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 18 plus 10 whole square is equals to 64. And further in the next step, we have minus 18 plus 10 becomes minus 8 square is equals to 64. And you know that minus 8 square becomes 64 equals to 64. This again shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that both of the values are satisfied our given question statement. And finally, we conclude about that the solution set of the given question is b is equals to minus 2 and minus 18. These are the two roots of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for the second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is b plus 10 whole square is equals to 64. This is the our given question statement. And here we in the second method, our second method be a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in the second method, we solve this problem with the help of square root. So here we take square root on both of the sides, and this will becomes b plus 10 whole square, and its square root is equals to square root of 64. And now further in the next step we have this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b plus 10 is equals to, you know that square root of 64 becomes here 8. And also you see here we apply square root on both of the sides, so that we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b plus 10 is equals to plus 8, and the second case is we write b plus 10 is equals to minus 8. So from here we move plus 10 to the right hand side, and we get b is equals to 8 minus 10, and here we easily get the value of b is equals to minus 2. So this is the first root of the given equation which we get here from first method. And in the same pattern we move this plus 10 to the right hand side, and we get b is equals to minus 8 minus 10, and we get the value of b is equals to minus 18. This is the second root of the given equation which we get here from first method. So in the second method we again get there are two roots of the given equation, b is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to minus 18. And in the first method we already verified that both of these two roots satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that the solution set of the given question is again minus 2 and minus 18. These are the two roots which we get here from second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.